Let's move on to something that's been climbing in popularity and is showing no signs of stopping. Crocheted plant hangers and home decor items. There's been a huge wave of interest in home styling over the past few years, and handmade decor plays right into that. People want their spaces to feel warm, personal, and unique. Crocheted plant hangers made with macrame style knots combined with crocheted elements are really popular right now, but also simple crocheted pot holders, wall hangings, and table runners. If you sell home decor items, you're also tapping into the gift market. These make great housewarming gifts, birthday gifts, holiday gifts. Neutral colors work best here because they fit into most home styles. Think cream, white, tan, dusty pink, and sage. If you're wondering what yarn to use, cotton and jute work really well for home decor because they're strong, they hold their shape, and they have that natural look people are going for. Now, let me tell you about something that I think is one of the most underrated opportunities in crochet right now: baby items. And I know people always say baby items sell well, but I want to be specific because not all baby items move at the same speed. The ones that are really trending right now are not traditional baby blankets or booties, although those still sell. What's moving fast right now are chunky baby loveys, which are those little stuffed animal head attached to a small blanket, and also baby milestone items like booties paired with a matching hat as a set, and tiny newborn-sized hats that parents use for hospital photos. These are gift items, almost always. Someone is buying them for a baby shower or a new parent they know. The presentation matters a lot here. If you can make the item look giftable, people will pay more for it. A little bow, a nice tag, a simple wrapping. The item itself, plus the way it looks when someone receives it, is the full product. Let's also talk about wearables beyond hats, because there's a lot of movement in this space. Crocheted crop tops and tube tops have been trending in the fashion space for a couple of years now, and they're still very much in demand. These sell